Okay, hello, hello. Let me see this here. Yep, we are online. Good morning, good afternoon, depending where you are at. Wow, this is just blitzing the last 15 minutes. Can you see how we were trying longs yesterday here? And then Asia session just grinded up for like 400 points. London, Asia, and New York. It's nonstop. What's your bias? Bias has to be upside. Like I want to play down, but like this is impossible to play down until we see like a nice closure. Like you see this 15-minute here? Maybe if we can turn this, I'm gonna try to check to see if there's anything else. Maybe even earlier. ES is just lagging behind. So there's a 15-minute chart. I'm just gonna mark out here. Probably just aim for a long and just hold it for the rest of the session. If I'm in a gap here, this flips it. I think we move higher. This buy the dip kind of day. That's like the whole week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then somehow a 6. I have no idea how there's a 6 weeks. I need to see like from low to high. This is 22% in kind of like 1 month. This is. I wonder if this is like one of the largest rally in this time frame. Maybe not. COVID is probably like it was a massive drop. This one it was like a kind of small correction. If non-farm payroll sent us higher, that's 6 consecutive weeks. Madness. Look at the 5-minute structure right now. Here comes another up to 171. 171 is like very possible here. I just don't think I've ever seen something that consecutively goes up for 6 weeks. Like, where else do we have that? Oh, we might have it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I was proven wrong. Here, 2023. These are 9 consecutive. It's like there's like a lot of small ones here. There's some large ones, medium ones, small ones, large one again, and then small again. What we have now is like essentially all large ones. Large, large, extremely large, large, basically a medium, and then this. We already goes above, so I wonder we try to jump for a long now. I think we should. It's kind of what I'm looking at right now. Even like this last part here is good. Yeah, we should be looking for a long here. We have the 5-minute flipped. I think we go for this long. I want to be able to see this hold, so like this is also a good structure right now. And if we get closure, we get a 5-minute gap too. So basically long like 125s, some slightly above there. It's gonna be good. Just, I would start with the top inversion and then add as we go down. I'm gonna post this too. Let's see. Gonna get filled on the next candle most likely. All right, we're gonna get filled here. Let's see what happens here. This is the pay-per-view here, trading view here that I'm gonna just most likely demonstrate, but we're gonna long this here, guys. Just gonna try to get like a 125 average, stop under this swing low. Just do that, stop in this low, and then like TP1 would just be just high of day. You see this 5-minute hold here. Closure under 120, you would like leave the room for us to try to tag lower, but we already flipped this. I think we try to hold as best we can. We'll have the 5-minute closure any second now, and then we'll Draw this out too. This is like, I most likely stop this out under the breaker, by the way. Like even down here, this would be like a 10-point stop. This pretty tight range right now. If we get a closure, I mean. We could just move this up here, actually. Don't need to do it under this low. It'll be more mental until this would be the hard stop. So, is this high of day? Yeah, this is basically just high of day. We take 140s, that'll be like a 1.5R, and then high of day, let it trail up. This is still holding. You see that wick close back above. We can still retrace down here, but I don't think we need to. We just probably grind up here now. Slow grind. There we go. Not bad to take a trim off the internal high. That's what I think I'm going to try to do. 142s. That's what I have. I'm going to hold one for sure. This one I'm going to just get right above the high of day and then leave one to trail. See if we can continue adding to. How many guys are in longs? That was a pretty low tick long so far. Did ES take the high? Yeah, we did. So I had 3 contracts, 1 off already. I'm gonna take another 1 off. Just right off these highs. This is pretty easy structure so far. This is a pretty early trade so far. Usually we wait a little bit. I mean, we started the stream late too. It's like 110. And then right off the rip, we just saw the first, pretty much a 5-minute closure and then a 1-minute long setup. Boom. Just join in. don't really need to wait for that. Let's see if we get one more off, and then I'm going to try to trial the rest. B, they said your dad is Jade Cap. Who said that? Who said that? So, you want to look at the execution? I just kind of threw some limits around. Average is like just the same thing, like 126. We basically got like a 20-point move so far. Almost at highs. How do I... Maybe I'll just remove this. I'm going to just manually take it out instead. Break even is good now. I don't want to raise it too soon. Shit, I'll just move this side. Could hit break even, but I had 3, took 2 off already. Let's just run it. Is that a paper trade? No, this is what I do just for reference. I don't like execute on paper trade view, but people ask me to just show like I would think the risk reward tool is plenty. It shows you where I enter, where I exit, where I would like try to TP, but people like to see like something like this and see my stop like verbally, I guess. Wait, what is this? How do I remove this? I'm not gonna touch it. Is this discard or confirm? If I press confirm, what happens? Hit discard. Does it close the trade? I get nervous using trading view because I never use it. Oh, okay. I'll just put this high. Yeah, but if you're curious if I take the trade or not, like I have it on my live account. You can see the execution here. It's my BrianStonk account. And then if you're in the Discord where it's like completely free, you could see me post the alert too. So like just when like we're live here, if you're not able to tune in, I posted the same exact thing. Long here, stop, TP, and update it right here. So like you can't really fake the market unless I have a time machine or something. What was the average risk reward? I think it's like 1.5. I wish I want to raise it up in a way that like I target. Like if you want to raise it up, I guess in my mind, you have more break-even trades, but then you have more, on average, like 2, 3, 4, 5 R trades. If you let it trail, like with like good wiggle room. But I tend to trail very tight, so it leaves me out with like 1.5 R. Like this one here, if I actually put my stop here, this is already, like I think I took my last TP at 48, 2R, and that trail out, yeah. Do you put your stop at high or low and body the candles? I like to do high or low. If it's like a mental stop, I would put it like on the closure of the bodies. So like you see this breaker here. The way I draw the breaker is already body to body. If we get a closure under the body, that like let's say we get closure like right at 117. This is already grounds for me to just kill the trade. Even though we didn't get like the swing low, like that's like kind of invalidating the breaker that I have marked out. Do you move your cat to PR2? Yeah, he's a very anxious cat, very skittish. So when he's on the plane, or yeah, in the plane and in the airport, luckily it was a 3-hour flight. But then you have like an hour, like boarding the plane or like processing it, TSA and everything. More than that, probably like another 2 hours there. And then you have other things too. Like it was like 6 hours maybe total from leaving the house to landing. He was very anxious. He pissed at the carrier. He was like trying to escape, which was kind of scary. I want to update the trade here. You had to quarantine stuff? I don't think we had to. Like, quarantine for what exactly? What a banger. If this is a banger, this is like 25 points. Oh, it's a quarantine your pets. Well, U.S. is still like, or Puerto Rico is still the U.S. Territories. I don't know if it was like different countries or anything like that. You're trading Lucid Live? No, I'm not. I blew the Lucid Live. I talked about it, I think, a few weeks ago. No, not a few weeks ago. It might have been like 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago. And I was talking about the Lucid Max. I just never got to purchase it yet. I think I'm gonna try to run back the Lucid Max and get back on live. I just want to go back to the eval stage right now. Maybe it's like actually beneficial to do evals while it's like all-time high, because like you're just long and most likely just hit it. But I just hate trading evals, man. Like I need to just dedicate like a week just trading all the evals and have reserves, have everything maxed out, and then just focus on funded. Some people are like, oh, you could just copy trade and everything. Like I just don't like doing it. Thinking about evals when I'm trading real money. Could hit break even. Let's see. Replicanto or Tradecopia, which is better? Tradecopia has been pretty much a beast right now. If you want to copy trade multiple firms, multiple platforms, but if you're just trading like one firm, like or two firms, let's say, like Tradecopia or Replicanto could work too. I guess the more firms there are, like in the if there's like trailing drawdown or you want risk parameters, just depends. Like if you want like a plain copy trader, or you want something that has multi-platform and also like a lot of risk parameters, then yeah, Tradecopia is like a beast. You ever heard of affordable indicator? Those are just like kind of add-ons. They're not like something that's separate, like a application. The application has much more control over what you could do. Dude, SanDisk and Micron being up 12 and 11% today is just kind of nuts. These are like not penny stocks. These are let me see the market cap of this one. Micron is what? I don't know if it's in the if it's like 500 billion or 700. Oh yeah, they're gonna be a trillion like this month. That's insane. And then you have like SanDisk. Like how I know there's like good news with Micron. They announced like a large storage for that's let use less power and more storage. I think for more for AI usage. So that does well. And then SanDisk just is also a storage company. But I actually like am dumbfounded just to see like how well it can push up like that. We can try to look for ads. I think if we can get a nice closure above the highs, we'll try to look for ads. Tricopia, I always found I had to keep relogging in. Yeah, I think when they release like their VPS version, it'll be like kind of always logged in. Not much to do. Just keep on longing the markets, right? There's the high. Oh, you know what? I need to buy alpha accounts. I think alpha is the one that I actually like. Alpha premium. I think people think it's expensive, but like it depends. Like if you want like a cheap account, just go for like a Lucid Flex account for like you can get 25K or 50K for under 100. But if you want an account where you can get like a lot of payouts, where they're not really trying to move you live immediately, like it's like it starts at 3K, and then I think it keeps on going up. Like I don't know the number, but I just know 3K to start, and then near the end is like 6,000 per account. So like if you just do really well, like just have a big buffer, just keep on trading, like it's gonna be 3K per account, 4K per account, 5K per account, 6K per account times 5. Like you just, I don't even know the math to that, but at the last payout, 6,000 times 5 is like 30,000 already, which is like probably the highest out of any firm now, unless you just for like a standardized account. If you want to compare it to like a pro account, that's like $400. Different story. And they have a 25% off. I think with the discount is worth it. If there's like 10% off, it's kind of expensive. What's your review for MyPod features? I don't really trade them. I think I think I like their starter plan the most, but they removed that, and then I'm not sure if they have the core plan anymore. But I feel like they keep on getting rid of the plans that I like, where it's like good value and just really well. The people love it too. Like everyone loves the starter. That was like probably 5 months ago, 6 months ago. That I don't know sure what they have anymore. Pro accounts 20K cap. I think those are the very expensive one. They're like similar to like advanced for other firms, which does well if you trade well, I guess. Let's see if there's another long opportunity. I'm just waiting to see like if we want to get a good closure above, and then we can continue probably long this up. I really hate long all-time highs, but like that's like literally the only thing I can do. And we got like a nice, we got a good long retrace. That's all I'll say. Like if we didn't get a good retrace, I'll be like, damn, sucks. What to do? What to do? Oh my goodness. Look at that push. Probably look for ES high day or all-time highs. And Q would keep on going higher. Let's find a like area where you would start looking for lower. I'm gonna say if we get a 15-minute closure here, I would probably for sure get break even, and then play lower. How you submit payout bonus is in the dashboard. Are you in a trade? We've been long for the last 30 minutes, I think. 30, 40 minutes. We're going to see if we keep on adding to this trade, I think. Damn. What is causing upside right now? It's probably Micron, right? Micron Sandis. Another push. Oh my goodness. Intel is up 14%. Are you kidding me? Sandis is up nearly 13. Micron is up 10. Like, these are double digits for like massive companies. 500 billion market cap. We're gonna get more multiple 1 billion companies very soon. AMD's up big too. Always big. And Nvidia's the ones lag behind. Making some money at least today, though. Let's keep it pushing. Try to submit payout bonus. Just join the Discord and then ask one of our mods or team. Like, just ask them in the question chat. They'll help you everywhere. Just gotta wait. We'll probably get a second trade soon, guys. Are you Puerto Rican? Do I look Puerto Rican? Let's see if we get a second long. And then we have a lucid. We'll have a lucid case coming up soon too. Yo, you know who's in Puerto Rico right now? I'm not sure if he's still here. I don't know if he's live streaming or whatever. Did he stream on YouTube? Oh, he's there. Like I know what that is. That's not. Whoa, I could have. Oh, he has so many security though. He has so many security. He's like one of the biggest, I guess, creators now, streamers too. He was really loving the food I saw. There's a clip of him. Oh, it was this one. I didn't know which restaurant this is. They're talking about plantains, I'm pretty sure. The tostones. He was loving this food. I wanna like look at that. Yeah, we're in Act 6C for Puerto Rico. Where are you looking along again? Not here. I'm gonna wait for more structure first. Most likely sweep it, turn it low, and flip back up. Breaker, inverge, and ending. Where is this place? He's like, got a freaking coconut. Hey, really? Michael Berry gave everyone their money back. Did it? No one believed him this time. This one, he shorted very early. I think he shorted. Well, technically, I believe he shorted. He was shorting while we're going down. I think here, and he was probably up a lot at one point, relative. But then break even. I want to say like he shorted like kind of like right here, and we now just squashed it. So he's in danger right now. But the market doesn't make any sense. I feel like I get the AI push, and then the war news, but like this here, I just never seen this in my life. Even like if you compare it to last year, like we got a good move. I guess just like the degree of it is just insane. We just no retrace at all. This is a weekly chart too. So I wonder. Let me check the measuring tool. Like this is 54%. Do we need to go somewhere in the 50% too? This is where would that be? Like this would be 30%. 30% for 30K. That'd be absolutely nuts. If we get there without no retracing, like a lot of people go rich, a lot of people are gonna be poor at the same time. And then it's gonna create so much FOMO. Like how much longer do you guys think it'll keep on running like this? Do you think we close green on the week here? This is a 6 week here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Would it just keep on going? And then 30,000 the 9th week. It's hard to say, but this absolutely nuts. Everyone just FOMO buying right now. Let me check metals. I think the metals, people were just selling metals to buy index, I'm pretty sure. Everyone had gold or silver. They're like, let's just sell it. Let's just completely sell it. We're gonna go to the moon when the war's over. I think we're gonna get one big spike, and then it's gonna be like sell the news. I think it's already priced in. Do you feel like there's gonna be a 2 to 3% day soon? Oh my goodness, we might just raise this up. Oh my goodness. Literally gonna have to raise this up here now. I think I'm just gonna raise it. I'm gonna raise it to like 160. 159 and 0.75. I tick under 160. But basically up 50 points right now. %2 day to day. How close are we? 1.4. Can you explain the long? It's very easy. We have this 5 minute here. We close above, so we could just kind of treat this as like, let's say inversion. And then I'll mark this out as an order block. We retrace down here. I want to be longing on the retrace of this previous 5 minute fair value gap that is inverted now. So there's a bullish inversion. We have this order block here, this down close candle. We expect it to retrace and hold close above. I drop it on the 1 minute, and then we just have a very kind of like similar setup. Breaker setup, inversion, fair value gap. Didn't get under the fair value gap, which is fine because I was targeting the inversion. So if I had fills down here and missed it, that would have been kind of nasty. So focus would be like kind of like the breaker to the inversion. So you're looking like the top half the breaker. And your stop is under. Let it ride. This is the daily chart. Can I add? Let's do 8. Oh, look at that. Okay, which one did I have that's new? Let's just do this one. We're gonna do Micron, and then we're gonna do SanDisk. These are basically the big tech drivers right now. And I'm on the daily chart right now. I'm gonna save this. Just gonna zoom out. So you see Micron here, start of April, 300. We basically 2x, more than 2x. Start of April for SanDisk, we almost 3x. 500 to 1400. See Google here. It's been gapping up. Earnings pushes up. Meta's been selling off. Microsoft selling off. These two are the underperforming, and then Amazon's actually grinding up pretty nicely right now. And then Nvidia is also selling off. So like we have 3 losers and then basically 3 big winners for the big tech. Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, Google, which is the triple A's. And then you have the double M's as the losers. And then Nvidia. That's what we're looking like right now. Apple still hasn't hit all-time highs yet, I don't think. Maybe it hit all-time highs after hours, but not during market hours. I just, my thought process is like, how long do we hold this move up here? Like, how many more candles? Do we get like 2 more? Maybe, do you want 2,000 and then we actually like trade for real? Are you still, are you still in or close rest? I have it trailed right now, so I just have it trailed at 160 basically. It might trail me out here. I'll likely just re-enter. I just have 1 left. We're up 45 points right now. What would you add longs? That's what I'm saying. We need to wait for more structure first. You blew your account with that dump? What do you mean dump? This is like, it hit 179 and it went to 169. If you like long the top tick, that's like 10 points drawdown. But most likely you just long like 175, it popped up to 179. Oh, prior to that. Okay, it was this dump. I thought you were like, okay, I'm just gonna full port here. Oh, it dumped. I think we just keep on raising it. I'd rather get trailed out than. Whoa, why is ES? Yeah, ES going. Dude, I'm not even happy with this grind up. I'm in the trade still, but like, this is just nuts. At this rate, look, this is a trend line now. We just keep on longing until the trend line breaks. Yeah, look, ES is actually catching up though. This is so odd to me. You guys see this? So ES high, all-time high is over here on this candle. We have like a 200 point discrepancy right now. No, it's more than 200. It's probably 300. That's just how strong tech is leading right now. That's the divergence. ES was able to pull back a lot, and Q pulled back too, but we were able to be equivalent right here already. And then it just gapped up ever since. I'm still waiting to see if we can get a second long, but yeah, this has just been one hell of a grind up. Not much to do here. If you guys tuned in the stream and it was able to get along, we got it so early. The trend line's still holding. What food should I order, guys? This is a bad time to order DoorDash. Have you tried Trafongo? I tried Mofongo. I don't know what a Trifongo is. Now I'm curious. That seems like 3, right? Trifongo. Oh, so I'm assuming it's a Mofongo with like meat filling. Like seafood meat or something like that? Is a legendary cousin of the famous Mofongo. Let's see, what should I order, chat? Can this do something else? All the rich people eat cocina criolla. Is that how you say it? Cocina criolla. What is this? Is this a restaurant? What is this type of food? Should I order breakfast food? No, but no, I feel like I don't. I want something variety this time. This is the market, guys. There's one grind up. I'm still waiting to see if we can get a second long. Okay, hold up. This is a pretty aggressive candle here. Yeah, I have to get this call. Okay, I'm back. I was gonna do a giveaway, but I want to see if we can get more ads off this long, but don't tell me you just push here. This is still like possible. Let's say we get one more drive down and then flip back up. How should we do the giveaway, chat? Let's open the Lucid case first. What the? Okay. We are opening it. I think this is broken. I have to refresh every time now. Oh, we got a 50K Pro this time. So we're gonna give away that count now. I want something that I want to do this one. Something where you have control over your luck. So maybe we'll do a number generator again. But it's literally gonna be very strict. we're gonna do a specific time too. We're gonna do at 2:33 start time. One guess only, or disqualified. No question asked. 1 to 100. 50. Once this hits 2:33, anyone who guesses right now before that, just disqualified. Disqualified. Or just not counted, basically. We already baited some people. I don't know how you guys could... $2:33 start time. This is, we have like another minute and a half. I don't know how to do slow mode, actually. Slow mode would be really good right now. Time is here, guys. Once you see this hit, you can also go official time. Okay, it's 5 seconds. 4, 3. And yep, you guys are ready. All right, this is where it gets tricky here. I gotta make sure. We get this right. I'm gonna generate the number. I got the number already. I'm looking. First one to get it. First one to get it. I want you guys to have control your own luck. Someone has one off. Oh. Disqualified. You would think if people get close enough. I don't know. No one got it so far yet. Someone got one off though. Maybe I'll give that to the person who got one off. Yeah, we're gonna have to give it to the person who got one off. I saw him. Still no long attempt right now. Was he the one who got it? I think I just missed the name. The number was 23, but I saw someone who got it. He was disqualified already. Geez, this is harder than I thought. I was hoping someone would get it. Maybe it was like just too random of a number because most people guess the same number. Yep. Shame. I might have one person in mind though. I wanted this to be fun, but that was a flop. Yeah, I think the people who spam it just ruins it. Someone said, I guess 22, but you also guessed like 20 different numbers too. Shut up, bro. Let's just do thumbs up. I think thumbs up is better. I'm still waiting to see if I can get the trade here. And another long. We're inside this long. I haven't got trailed out yet. It's in the giveaway channel. We're just gonna do thumbs up, and I'm gonna do just a number generator most likely. I like this better actually. I should have just done this in sort, so it's not relying on people being smart about it. I think we just take this low now and then flip back up. We have a long. What I'm gonna do is put this into 10 quadrants. It'd be 1 to 10. And then also do another 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It'd be 1 to 14 then. Alright, ready for this? Are we ready? Give me 1 to 10, then 1 to 14. Go. Oh, no, no. Give me a number from 1 to 10. Then give me a number from 1 to 14. This is what I meant. They just populate that number. 7 and 12. So I'm going to go 7. This is halfway. 6, 7. And then we're going to go number 12. It'll be this person. So this is 14. There we go. Just to prove that there's no bots this time. We'll do another one at the end of the stream. This is for the 50K Pro, by the way. Was that good? I feel like that one proves that there's no bots this time, because like it's like just purely off of ChatGPT, randomized. It's listed alphabetical. It doesn't matter because I could go. It could be 1 to 10. It'd be like 1, and it'd be like 1 again, and that'll be me. Or it could go like 9, like down here, and it'll be like 13, Silvo. Kind of like a fun way, I guess. JD21. Oh, there he is, John. I'm gonna be honest, some of these viewers are kind of bots. Are you done for the day? I'm trying to look for another long, but this is the plan so far. We're still in the long. I don't know. Should I close a long so I can be more aggressive? Intel still up 13%. Micron 12, 11% jam. This is just cooked price action. What do you guys think? Do we still have a chance for another long? I'm gonna give it probably next like 10 minutes. If not, we'll close out. Major sells incoming. I don't think so. What's up, trading patiently? It was a Lucid 50K Pro, yes. Okay, I'm gonna do something here. I'm gonna close it out so I can be. I had longs here, 20 points, 25, and then we have for 50. I want to see if I can join the long. A second long attempt. I need to see this. This is kind of the playbooks right now. We just get like a drive lower, let's say, and then we flip up. We get a breaker, a long first retrace, stop under, go for highs. One for one base hits. Come on, let's get it set up here. We cannot even break a swing low, bro. Just gotta wait, but this is just so relentless. Nope. I'm just gonna pop my head up and see if it comes. I'm gonna order pizza this time. I'm willing to join the long if I can just get one tiny sweep. This is like holding so well, man. Yeah, getting close to wrap this up. I mean, I feel like we just get like a quick rundown and then we run back up. It's kind of challenged to even do that, which is surprising. It's not much of an issue. Like I'm not in shorts right now. I'm looking to see if I can keep on long in this. And here it goes. Here we go. Let's see. Let's see. Wait, there's AMD earnings after close? That's gonna be spicy. I can't, you know, like, I really can't imagine. I can't imagine it. It does really well, and then you see like Intel and AMD just like what more can they do? I feel like AMD is like almost double. All right, now all we need to see is establish low. Selling a little bit. Market's just been boring lately, just so buy the dip area. Just be patient here. We might get it. Let's see if we get this long. Did you hear about Lentigo and Possibility yesterday? I think he had. Did he get a checkup or was there something concerning? Nah, don't use Apex. Apex is kind of in a mess right now. Maybe if they could launch their live programs. They don't even need to launch it. They just need to give more clarity. Like, no one knows what the live program is, which is kind of scary, man. If I was trading the firm, I'd be like, "Where's my live?" Jade and Kane, they have a live program, but like they were given money though. That's a difference though. They weren't like transition live from funded, so they don't even know how much you're gonna get transitioned with and how everything works. Might be long and soon here. I haven't entered yet because we haven't confirmed yet. We have established low, which is good. Everything's looking good. We just need to push back up. Most likely give this closure here. And then we're good to go. What's up, Dono? It's been a slow grind, man. The slowest of the slow grinds. Okay. Probably want a closure in this 5 minute and then we're good. Just need a closure above through this inversion. And then I'm going to play the retrace. That's it. We already got an internal sweep, which is good. The trend is higher. We're just very close now. Dude, meta's about to fall a little bit. I wonder if it's like 50% already. Yeah, we're... No, it should be out of the way. We're past the 50% for meta. Let's see Microsoft too. Is that okay? He's good. He's fine. I think he just gets too into trading where he doesn't take care of his body sometimes. Okay, we're running out of time. My idea is too long if we just get this inversion closure, and then we just tap back in. We'll just get additional longs here, and we'll likely go through 200s, stop under the swing low. That was basically it. Kind of like this. Even better if we can get a 5-minute closure here first. Let's say we move back up, we close above, and then boom. That, not doing that is just something that is, I think, we're already past our time. We got a pretty clean hit here, guys, long from 125s, and it basically went up all its 186, which is 60 points. I think I'm just gonna close that out. Yeah, no drawdown in this trade, honestly. Look at this. 2 ticks. I'm gonna close the stream here. We only streamed 2 hours, and that's it. All right, have a good one. I'll see you guys tomorrow.